In the last video, I taught you how to do a foundation single crochet. In this video, I'll teach you how to make a foundation half double crochet. Make a slip knot the same as you normally do to start and pull it close to the hook. Hold your yarn the way you normally do. If you don't know how to, please go back to my chain video. So we start with 3 chain. I pull the middle chain a little tight. Yarn over and go through the bottom of that first chain, which means you have 2 pieces of yarn at the top and 1 piece of yarn at the bottom. Yarn over and pull a loose loop through there. You want to keep it loose because the next stitch is going to go into that as well. Yarn over and pull 1 loop through. Just the bottom loop. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. That's a regular half double crochet stitch and you're creating the bottom at the same time. So yarn over, go through the front and back legs of that loop of that stitch we previously made. Yarn over and pull through a loop. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Keep that bottom loop loose. Yarn over and pull through only the bottom loop. Then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Yarn over, go into the front and back of that previous stitch at the bottom. Yarn over and pull through a loose loop. Yarn over and pull through only the bottom loop. Then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Yarn over, go through the front and back of that previous stitch, the bottom of that stitch. So you can see both of the legs there. Yarn over and pull through 1 loose stitch. Yarn over and pull through 1 loop. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. You can see from the top these little teardrop shapes. That's how you count your work. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 stitches here. You don't count the one on your hook. And if you look at the bottom, it gives the same cute little raindrop, teardrop shapes here, going in the reverse direction. So it's a really nice way to start your work because it just gives a really nice finish. I'll do 3 more stitches to show you how to do it again. Yarn over, go through the front and back of that previous stitch. Yarn over and pull through a loose loop. Yarn over, pull through only the bottom loop, so you still have 3 on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Now you only have 1 loop on your hook. Yarn over and go through the front and back of that previous stitch. See both of the legs there. Yarn over and pull through a loose loop. Yarn over and pull through 1. Yarn over and pull through 3. So for the last time, yarn over and go through the front and back of that previous stitch. Yarn over and pull through a loose loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through only the bottom loop. You still have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. So that is how you do a foundation half double crochet. This is a great start for any pattern that needs a half double crochet row because it gives a really neat finish on both sides. Follow my channel for more tips and tricks on how to crochet and crochet along tutorials.